Squizmo.
Squizmo, man.
Squizmo. I love that.
Yeah. Thanks. Another Squizmo. So this is my this is my product. It's a toothpaste tube squeeze.
That's awesome.
I'll shoot you over a note, explain, resonate what we do, and whenever you're ready, reach out and we'll send you some samples. Or like podcast like R.
We used to, I think at our outset, we produced standard models, but it's just so much cheaper and quicker to do this. And like during a client meeting, you can just whip up the model and press them.
Architectural models. And it pushes it through dye.
This is the scanner that we use.
So you just roll over the place?
Yeah, he's going to do it right now, so you can take a look at how it goes into the. And the scanner comes with the program. Yes, yes. Yeah. Rough estimate. But yeah, I mean, we use it a lot. So.
This is the one that's 0.1.
Yes.
That's pretty good.
Think, oh, it doesn't make a big difference, but this little device right here allows for an adaptive grip. So, yeah, so this little device right here acts as a pulley so that you can move, you can see it moving? You can move the fingers independently, and that'll conform better to straight, odd-shaped objects, right? Yeah. And so, the designers come up with a lot of stuff like that just makes it more accessible. So, I mean, most of these devices have been developed in the last 2 years through this community. So the rate of innovation is just astronomical.